maiden voyage of the 360 camera.
It has a little bit of sweep going forward, doesn't it? So a guy would really want to do a slot. So I'm going to run her up to about 100 foot. So this is a maiden voyage. This is the, and I'm just doing it with wide angle. So there's Michael, there's your garden. Now I'm going to go to zoom, and I'm going to back up with a zoom, and I'm going to look at your garden here, and we're going to go forward. Okay. So there we go. And now, right now, if I look at the mapping system, I'm going to go ahead and we're looking down. Ooh. Those trees look closer than what... Oh, I'm zoomed in. That's why. A little scary, isn't it? Okay. So this thing is handling very well. Ooh, that'd be a good one. Let's check out our we'll do a little inspection of the tower. This is a ham radio tower. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Phenomenal.
Now I'm going to pan down. See, now I have my pan turned down so it's not so fast. Look at that. You can see any defects. Wow. All right, now I'm going to go back to wide view. So there's wide view. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and just do a return to home. Okay? So we have 36 satellites on, and we're on RTK. So I'm going to hit return to home. So it's climbing altitude, returning to home. And I got my finger on the pause button just in case we need to pause. Okay. All right, it's coming down. Taking it nice and slow, isn't it? Aircraft has descended. Continue landing. Yes. I don't know why that's kind of unusual. So definitely got to have a bigger box. But that was pretty darn good.
Not that accurate.